Hello po, magandang hapon and magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Sir Willie Gieb at ako po yung manager at the same time yung proponent po ng ating PTEC. I am one of the original writers ng ating mga materials, and with me is my team that is also including my wife who is the one in charge of managing the PTEC po. And ang PTEC po ay stands for the Polaris Training and Educational Consultancy, and we are located po dito sa Dagupan City. Ako po ay isang school principal as of the moment, school principal 4 of the division of Dagupan City. And for the information po ng lahat, kami po ay nag-umpisa na magbigay ng review materials para sa NCESH or Principal's Test way back 2018, and for the year 2021 and then 2022 ay naging full-blown po yung aming program, and we hope that we could be part of your journey in becoming a full-fledged na school head. And hopefully as you stay with the program ay marami po kaming may share sa inyo, and marami po kaming may bibigay na mga important na mga tips in order for you to achieve kung ano man po yung goal ninyo. But basically yung goal po natin sa ngayon ay ang makapasa sa ating principal's test. So lahat po sa inyo, good luck, and we hope to see more of you, and we hope to provide more technical assistance via the PTEC or the Polaris training. Maraming salamat and magandang hapon.